In this video, I will show you how to use concatenate method. For instance, you are required to create a transaction ID. To create a transaction ID, you have to combine the names and the sales ID with a hyphen in between. Now let's try and use concatenate method and see if it's gonna work. The first thing you're gonna do, gonna say equal conca. This is concatenate. It says concatenate is a list or range of text strings. Now let's click concatenate method. Now you're gonna select your names, comma, and remember you have to put the hyphen in quotation marks, comma. Now you have to select your sales ID as well and close your bracket, press enter. This is your transaction ID. Let me zoom in so that you can see it clearly. This is your transaction ID, the name Riens Modau, and sales ID, which is for T30. Now let's say maybe you want to autofill this because you have many students and you cannot do that automatically. You have 95 students. You're gonna come to your bottom right corner. When you see this small black sign, positive sign, you're gonna double click it. Now you have the names and the sales ID with a hyphen in between, which are your transaction ID. Thanks for watching.